Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And a few days back I showed you the perfect vlogging setup with the Sony a6400. But I found that if I partner this up with the Zhiyun crane, I can get more stabilization. Now it's a more manly setup compared. It's very heavy. The rig is going to be very heavy, but it's just for a test, just for fun. And I will show you how it attaches, and let me show you the whole setup and how this a6400 can revolutionize the whole vlogging world, and also a creator perspective. So let's jump in really quick. Okay, so the Rode microphone is placed out here, as you can see right now, and the thing is attached at the bottom of the Zhiyun crane. Perfectly balances. I have no problems or no issues with this. Now if you have the Crane Plus, you can use one of these cables, because I have a Crane Plus also. So the Crane 2 Plus, I'm using this cable for my crane, and all you need to do is just plug this in. Okay, so everything is plugged in, and so I'm in a gradient right now, inclined on the side, but the motors are going to balance it. Not that it's recommended that you keep in a perfect balance position. So it's more or less perfect, but it's not that perfect. Okay, so let's turn this on right now. Okay, and yes, it balances. It starts recording. So this footage is now getting recorded with the Zhiyun crane, and even if I'm walking or anything, you'll be seeing that you're getting that whole cinema quality look just by using it on the crane. Will your hands hurt? Yes, your hands are going to hurt a lot, and it's kind of heavy. It's not for everybody actually. All you need to do is that make sure that you're putting in a level, and then trying to move around with this. So for example, you're going straight line right now. You can actually hold it with one hand, or you can hold it in two hands, and you can talk with your viewers. So right now, whenever I'm walking or anything, you will see that the footage looks super stable. And yes, I can totally understand. We have Tech 5 out here also, holding the DJI Osmo
Quick
Pocket.
advertising. Just kidding.
Well, do follow his channel. Amazing guy. He does a lot of other videos, like anything related to tech. You can always find it in Tech 5. Yes, and now what we are going to do, we are going to run with it and see whether this can actually handle the stability or not. This footage is again from the Sony a6400. A backup cam is running, so let's run with this and see whether it can handle it or not. So this is running with the stabilizer. He's faster. So this is a small sprint run with this stabilizer rig. The Sony actually autofocuses all the time. Yeah, and I think if you're looking for a stable footage, if you have arms very strong, you can actually use this as a lot of purpose, because not only it's your not only it's your follow rig or anything, it is also your vlogging rig, your travel rig, and you can travel with this and you can vlog with this. Yeah, if you like this presentation, give me a big thumbs up, because I think Zhiyun crane partnered up with the Sony a6400 with the whole setup makes this game changing. Yep, so see you again in another episode. Take care, goodbye. Say hello to Tech 5 also. Tech 5?
Hello.
Goodbye guys. I think this is an amazing piece of equipment. Take care.
So salty, I'll still take a bite.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn for the night. Why you so salty? I'll still take a bite.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. so salty.